All right, here's our next adventure. Got this trailer here. They're redoing the deck, and I need to replace these because we got some little peekaboos and possibly some cross members. I'm going to hit it with a needle scaler and see if we can pop any holes in these cross members. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so I hit it with a needle scaler, and we popped one little peekaboo there and some pretty big peekaboos there. And this customer's not about patching, so I'll be replacing 2 cross members on this bad chicken. Oh, and tip of the day, if you're running air tools and it's cold out and it's freezing, squirt a little bit of this down the hole, a little bit of oil, and it'll free right up. May not run very long, but you just keep adding that stuff and it'll keep drying it up. Just make sure and keep oiling it because that'll strip the oil out of the gun. So anyway, let's keep going. All right, 1 cross member replaced, 2 cross member replaced, and I already bent up my my fenders or covers or whatever you call that. Gonna burn those on, and yeah, then we're done. So yeah, let's do that. All right, there we go. Got her all done, all welded up and ready to go. Gonna send it to the paint and the board shop. So, but as far as what I'm doing,